Hello and welcome back to the iHeat YouTube channel. Today we're talking about what the clean heat market mechanism is and how it will affect you as a customer. The clean heat market mechanism is a new levy introduced by the government to increase the amount of heat pumps in the UK. This is all in aim to hit the net zero carbon emissions by 2050. To keep things simple, they want more heat pumps in the UK as they are more efficient and better for the environment. The government have done this by introducing grants where you can get the price of a heat pump installation a lot cheaper than they used to. If you do a quote on the iHeat website, you can get a quote for a heat pump relatively close to the price of a new boiler. Bearing in mind this equipment costs around 15 to 20 grand once installed, to get it for roughly the same price as a boiler is pretty damn good. The clean heat market mechanism has a target of 600,000 heat pumps installed in the UK by 2028. Currently in 2025 there is around 250,000, so we have quite a bit to go. To hit this number, this clean heat market mechanism has introduced a target where 6% of sales for boiler manufacturers has to be from heat pumps. So companies like Valent, Ideal, Worcester, if they sell boilers, which they do, they have to sell at least 6% of their sales as heat pumps. The beauty is if they don't hit this target, if they don't sell enough heat pumps, they have to start paying a fine for every boiler they sell. To make things 10 times worse, the target is then going to increase every year to hit that 600,000 installs by 2028. So in 2025 it is 6%, next year it's probably 8%, and so on, 10%, 12%, all the way up until 600,000 installs are met. So how does this affect you as a customer? I hate to say it, but it is down to pricing. Wherever they get charged as a manufacturer for installing a boiler, they will now charge you, the customer, instead. The clean heat market mechanism was meant to start last year, but it has been delayed until April 2025 this year. This means round the corner is an increase in boiler prices, so if you're gonna buy a boiler, the time is now. So head to the website, fill in a quick quote. We can be there the very next day to install a brand new boiler, or go crazy, look at a heat pump and see how much you can get one installed for, as the prices are getting quite close. If you have any further questions about this subject, leave them in the comments down below or talk to our customer service team, which are always happy to help. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. This has been iHeat.